ये काउंटर अटैक भारत अगर गति से बनाए तो फायदा हो सकता है। अच्छा पास डोंगजिल के पास, बॉल मिली प्रीतम के पास। प्रीतम फ्री किक पाकिस्तान को। पाकिस्तान की मंसूर खान फ्री किक लेंगे। सद्दाम हुसैन थ्रू उनका। प्रीतम ने रोका था बीच में। पाकिस्तानी टीम के एहसानुल्लाह काफी फिलहाल देखने को मिल रहा है और भारतीय टीम जो कि 10 खिलाड़ियों से खेल रही है वो साफ दिखाई दे रहा है। और ये 4 मिनट का एडिट टाइम होगा जो समय जाया हो जाता है, नष्ट हो जाता है। तो 4 मिनट और हैं इस मैच में और भारतीय टीम 1-0 से आगे है। गोलकीपर अमरिंदर सिंह ने थ्रो इन। सुनील छेत्री वहां मौजूद जरूर थे लेकिन ले नहीं पाए थे। थ्रो इन के लिए जा रहे हैं नारायण दास। और पीला कार्ड देखने से बचना चाहिए देसाई को। देसाई को मिला है पीला कार्ड और सुनील छेत्री को भी पीला कार्ड मिल गया। और अगर एक दोस्ताना मैच में इतने पीले कार्ड होंगे तो बेहतर नहीं है, क्योंकि यहां पर आप एशियाई खेलों की तैयारी के लिए जा रहे हैं और तनाव भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच जब मैच होता है तो उसमें कुछ भी जो मैदान पे होता है कोई भी किसी से हारना नहीं चाहता। नारायण दास थ्रो इन करेंगे। थ्रो इन सुनील छेत्री के लिए। अभी भी सुनील छेत्री के पास शंकर।
Well, the final few minutes of this game encounter, India managing to maintain the lead, and Sunil Chhetri also shown the yellow card, which means the referee is not going to consider it as a friendship series. Even if you do anything in the name of friendship, cards will be shown. Pretty relentless, as here it's Pakistan, 2 opportunities, easy opportunities they missed out. However, Indians did attack, but the counter-attack has not been good by India. That's the reason score is just reading 1-0. Numerous opportunities wasted. And again, no man's land. The ball reaches the spot earlier with no player in the near vicinity has been the undoing of both the teams. So with the backdrop of Asian Games, this needs to be worked out. The ball and the players' movement coordination is pretty important under the circumstances. Nicely kicked, and we'll have to wait him. Yes, and manages to just put it out. And what could have been an opportunity, Sher Ali there made a valiant attempt to keep the ball inside, ruining the fact he knows fully well what mistake he has done. And now the spectators are waiting for the final moment, and the goalkeeper also taking a slow walk, biding his time. In fact, Amrinder Singh, he missed one, but the ball was hit wild. But barring that blemish, was very good, just like his Pakistan counterpart. Kicked out. No work for any player. As here it is. Kicked. Not much of time left here, as beautifully done, trying to center it. No Pakistan player. There's a good opportunity there, and missing the goal by Awiska. That's what the relaxation factor which is bogging Indian sport. This is the story. Watch this. The Indians relaxing, good opportunity, and heading it on this Krishna Janmashtami there. Probably Lord Krishna must have blessed the Indian goalkeeper. There it is. No chance at all for the goalkeeper. Much beyond the reach of Downjil. It's opportunity. So now it will be difficult for Pakistan to come back from here. Not much of play because the Indians now on the attack. The throw in. Pakistan now or never for them, showing an extra bit of urgency, but the ball is pretty far. It has to pass the centre line and that's it. The match is over. India getting the better of Pakistan. 1-0. Though the scoreline says that the Indians have won the match, Pakistan were no less. A couple of good moments went in favour of India, and a couple of bad moments for Pakistan went against them, and they have done their bit. 1-0, the spectators applauding both the team players, and that's the beauty of Bengaluru. Transforming itself slowly. It is the IT capital, BT capital, and now transforming itself into the sporting fans, applauding both the teams, and that's the beauty of Bengaluru. The spectators will support any good play. And